हरमल पंचक्रोशी शिक्षण मंडळाचे भांगरा महोत्सवी वर्षाचो समारोप झालो। त्या दिसा हरमल पंचक्रोशीचो अध्यक्ष आदलो मुख्यमंत्री मांद्रेचो आदलो आमदार लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकराचो वाढदीस। ते निमतान शिक्षण मंडळान शाळेत कार्यावळ दवरिल्ली। राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हा मुखेल सोयरी आशिल्ली।
डोनेशनाचेर आसल्यो, गिफ्टाचेर आसल्यो, तिसरी ही जागा ही मोठी जागा पूण गावापासून खूप दूर असली। केवळचे आमचे अध्यक्ष दिवंगत गणपत पार्सेकर हांच्या दूरदृष्टीतसून आम्ही ही जागा घेवंक पावले। ह्या जागेक एक्सेस नसलो।
हमारी बेटियों को पोतियों को तो मैं कहूँगी कोई आश्चर्य नहीं लगेगा यदि मैं ये बात कहूँगी कि तुम विकास के पथ पर सब जगह चढ़ती हो चढ़ो, जल थल नभ तुम्हारे लिए खुला है, सब जगह जाओ। लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जिसके लिए हम लड़कों को मना करते थे वो लड़कियां भी सिटी में जाना शुरू कर रही और भी उनके ठेके। तो एक अनुभव ये भी आया था। लेकिन आज इसलिए कि यहाँ इतनी शांति है इसलिए तो ध्यान आ गया मुझे और मैंने ये बात भी आपको बताया।
जीएफडीसी आता मेरेन ट्रेनिंग घेतिल्ले उदेते गोलकीपर रॉबन गावकार आणि देवा वर्मा आता फुडली कोचिंग पंजाबात आशिल्ले राउंड ग्लास स्पोर्ट्स अकादमीत घेतले। तांकां फुटबॉल प्रशिक्षण तसेच शिक्षण रावप आणि बाकीच्यो सुविधा फ्री मेळटल्यो। जीएफडीसीतले ट्रेनिंग बाकीच्या राज्यांतल्यो टॉप अकादमी व्हरूंक येता म्हूण चेअरमॅन रुफिन मोंतेरो खोस।
That two of our youngsters who have taken to goalkeeping have been selected by Round Glass Academy of Punjab. In fact, just a month back, another of our trainee who was our academy boy, who is a defender, has already been selected by the Reliance Youth Academy in Mumbai. And at the moment we have another two boys from our grassroots centers also playing in goalkeeper positions who are undergoing trials at the Reliance Youth Academy. So in short, our grassroots program is paying rich dividends that academies from outside the state are noting the development of our trainees and are coming here to do selections and taking the boys to their academies for further development.
These are the success stories of our beloved Honorable Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parikar's dream of declaring football as the state sport and forming the Goa Football Development Council to develop the game at the grassroots level.
And, we have set up a technical team of Italian coaches, which is going to be in the under-15s, and a special Italian goalkeeping coach as well, coming from Florence. I think this will be very helpful even for the growth of the Indian coaches which are with us, and will give a good contribution to all the players we have. Currently we are over 80 students with us. It's a residential facility, and we will be taking a full scholarship for these kids. So we will be taking care of their education. As I said, for the education we will be having also two options, which is the private schooling and the CBSE. In this way the parents can be satisfied and choose whichever one is favorable for them. Apart from the technical side, we even have a nutritionist and a psychologist, sports psychologist, who will be following up their development. It's very important that leaving their hometown, going to a new place, they should feel at home.
या बुलेटिन हांगा चोपता ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।